Welcome to our tutorial on completing the credit card and Checkmatic authorization forms. We will walk through these forms together to discuss how to fill out each form correctly. Applicants have the option of having their payments automatically deducted each month from their credit or debit card or checking or savings account. Here are samples of the credit card authorization form, which is Form R2107, and the Checkmatic authorization form, which is Form R2016. Each form can be used for multiple applicants for whom the insurance coverage will be paid. Let's start by walking through the credit card authorization form. It's important to fill out every section in all capital letters using blue or black ink. Be sure to list the Social Security number for all applicants applying for new coverage. Fill in the full name, Social Security number of the payer, and the billing address. This information is required even if the payer is the applicant. Please note that we only accept Visa or MasterCard. Just as we have a responsibility to safeguard an individual's personal information, we have the same responsibility to safeguard their financial information. Payment Card Industry Data Security Standards, or PCI DSS, is a set of security standards adopted by entities that process, store, or transmit cardholder data, with the goal of protecting consumers' personal information, PII, personal health information, PHI, as well as safeguarding from potential fraud. We use a secure tokenization process which substitutes the credit card number with a non-sensitive equivalent, referred to as a token, that has no extrinsic or exploitable value. There are three convenient ways to secure a token number. The first option is by going to afba.com/token. This page is a secure form accessible from any phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop. The second option is by calling toll-free 844-679-8649. This automated system will walk you through the steps to secure a token number. The final option is via your Salesforce agent portal. Along the top navigation, click the tab labeled Token Generator, which will provide the same secure form mentioned in item 1 above. You are required at either the point of sale or prior to submission to use the tokenization process to convert the payer's credit card number to a secure token number. Once you have the token number, be sure to include the day of the month the payment will be deducted. If the day of deduction is left blank, the draft date will be the issue date. Finally, if you are unable to obtain a token number while with the client, you can record the credit card number on the bottom half of the form. Once you've secured the token, you must tear off and securely dispose of this portion of the page before submission. Secure disposal includes shredding or placing in a designated secured container for destruction. Do not simply throw this strip in the trash. Now we'll take a look at the Checkmatic authorization form. This form must be filled out if a client wishes to pay through their bank account. This form contains the same basic applicant and payer information as the credit card form and needs to be filled out completely. Unlike the credit card form, token generation is not required. The next step is filling in the bank information. The bank ABA number is located on the lower left-hand side of the payer's check. The account number is the number in the middle section at the bottom of the check. Also indicate if it's a checking or savings account and fill in the bank's name and address. Now you'll want to fill in the day of deduction box using a 2-digit day format. If you leave this section blank, the policy will draft immediately upon issue. If you have any questions, we are here to help. Our agent support representatives can be reached Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern at 1-800-776-2322, option 4, or via email at fsrinfo@afba.com. We thank you for your business.